welcome back to my channel. As we all know that the Teachers Day is coming soon, so let's make a perfect badge for our teachers, and this is really a very ideal gift for them. They will really love this. Favorite ma'am, number one sir, you can write in any sentiment, and with the hot glue I have made this badge and with the satin ribbon. So let's start to make this beautiful DIY. here it is done, and this badges look so beautiful. See this, you can, and they can tuck in also on that dress. And this is favorite ma'am and number 1 sir. See how beautiful this looks, and with the hot glue this looks so shiny. So please do comment me about this video, how to find it and give this unique type of badges to your teachers on the occasion of the Teachers Day. And happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Love you all, and please do comment me about this video, and do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.